Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I'm Rhonda, and I love saying things, and I'm here with a new haircut. Got a bunch cut off, trying to get it evened out a little bit, but I hope you're having a great day, or day of your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I got it cut off so I can grow it back out. Does that make sense? Yes. Yes, Rhonda, it makes sense. I have a box here that I can honestly say that I don't think if I have had this box before, it's been a couple of years, but I don't even know how long this box has been around. But I got this box because next month they're having a special limited edition special palette, and I'm really interested in that, so I ordered it for next month, but I got this month. So I got February's box in the mail today, and it's from Eyescream Beauty. Oh, that was terrible. I love doing karaoke, and I'm an enthusiastic singer, not a good singer. Sometimes I can do all right. Sometimes I can carry a tune in a bucket. But this is February's box. February's box. And it's got a card and peanuts. I hate these peanuts. Packing peanuts. No bueno. Bad for the environment. They get everywhere. The cats want to play with them. I'm unpacking the peanuts. All right, and so this is what it looks like inside. It's quite a bit of stuff. This card says, I love you more. Aw, I love you more. Maybe not. Yes, no, maybe so. And everything is written very tiny, so out come the spectacles. That's right, retro, schoolmarm, librarian on duty. And this box is $25 a month. And that includes shipping. I Love You palette by Mirabelle Beauty. A $50 value. Well, I guess I'm going to have to add up the value of this box. And I'll be the judge if this is a $50 value. But this is what it says here. And it says, create an array of stunning looks with 8 long wear shadows featuring a balance of shimmer and matte and luminous highlighter for a 360-degree total face use in sculpting and illuminating the face, cheeks, and eyes. They said face too many times. And this is called Undressed by Mirabelle. And it's eyeshadows and highlighter. I already have a broken nail. So let's get the scissors out. I broke my nail going to that show the other night. Going to that burlesque show. See if I can get this open. There we go. It's a thick booger. And it says, I love you. Oh, I heard Barney's coming back. I love you, you love me. I'm a monkey, can't you see? With a something, a hug from me to you. Something, I love you too. It goes something like that, right? This is the palette. It's really pretty. Really, really, really pretty. And I've heard good things about the quality of Mirabelle products, but that is a beautiful, cool toned palette with a highlighter in the middle. That's very cool. And the packaging is very heavy. It doesn't feel cheap. It's got a luxurious feel to it. I don't know if it's worth 50 bucks. I would say maybe 35. That's just me. So anyway, so that's the first thing in the box. the palette with the highlighter. Then we have Candy Chrome Loose Multi-Chrome Pigments by Shantico Beauty. 2 of them, which is $24. These multi-chrome pigments shift between 3 to 4 colors. Ooh, I love a multi-chrome. Depending on how the lights hit them, the eyeshadow palette this month was chosen to complement the bright and pigmented multi-chromes. Very thoughtful. Adding the multi-chrome on top of the light shades will create a different color than adding it to the top of the dark shades. Use the light hand and blend out for a more subtle effect. 24 bucks. So, and these are them. And I thought I was getting candy. I wanted some candy, but I'm not eating candy right now. So let's take a look. Candy Chrome. That's very satisfying. That was very cool. Oh, look at that. Oh, let me figure out how to open this. Oh, it's a twist. And it's loose. So it goes from green to purple. And it's a loose pigment. That's very cool. So one multi-chrome, and you know, multi-chromes are not cheap to make. Very satisfying to rip this packaging. And this one looks like it goes from purple to blue. Yeah, purple to blue. And it's very loose. Very, very pretty. Very cool. I'm loving that. I'm really, so far, I'm not mad that I got this box. At first I was like, oh, the February box. Do I really want the February box? But I think I do. I think I'm glad I have it. Dragon Lash Mascara by Queen Studio, $18. And this Dragon Lash Mascara, I've got several things by Queen Beauty, but I haven't tried it out yet. And it's Queen with a V. This is a semi-permanent high gloss black tubing mascara. Ooh, tubing mascara I like. Unlike conventional wax-based mascaras, tubing mascara contains polymers that wrap around the lashes, creating tubes so they don't smudge or flake. Plus, they're easy to remove, making you feel less likely to experience lash fallout during removal. Hooray for healthy lashes. Let's take a peekaloo. I'm not going to open the actual mascara itself because that starts the aging process, but it's a nice component. It feels pretty good. It's got a nice weight to it, and it's a black mascara. So that's nice. Then Heart of Gold Gloss by Amuse Cosmetics, $5. And this is adorable and it's wrapped in plastic. I'm not going to open it because I don't use glosses. But that's a very pretty color and it's $5, which is reasonable. And that's a really great nude kind of color, and it goes with the palette. So it says these glosses come in a few different shades that are meant to complement most looks. This is an affordable and adorable lip color option. Quick tip for getting gloss to dry down more quickly is add some setting powder before applying. Very nice. So that's cool. Then we have a 3-brush set, and these look pretty cool, by IBY Beauty, and this is a $32 value. Number 36301 is a contour brush. Tightly packed bristles and dome shape, perfect for easy blending and a subtle contour. 36302 multitasking brush. This brush has the ability to brush blush to the apples of your cheek, highlight and blend with ease. And the fan brush, apply diffuse highlighter for gorgeous strobe effects. So I'm not gonna like take them all the way out of the package. I just want to feel the brushes. Just want to feel it. Oh, it feels really nice. That feels nice. All right, IBY. So 3 brushes. So a total of $129 value, which is good for $25 box. So we've got the 3 brushes. We've got the lip gloss. We've got the 2 pigments that are beautiful, multi-chromes, mascara, and a highlighter and eyeshadow palette. Very cool. This is not a bad box at all, and I might give it a full box go, except for the lip gloss. Do a full box look with the pigments and the palette and the highlight. So check that out. Check it out. Anyway, I hope that you've enjoyed this unboxing of this new box to my channel. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.